Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Well, I hope you're doing great. Standing in front of you all on your screen, my name is Sukma Willis. I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Muara Bungo. I'm so excited and happy to join this competition. So, the honorable judges, let me deliver my tiny and simple speech, but it will be a beneficial speech for you all. Alright, before we jump into my speech, I would like to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your Excellency, all the judges, the Honorable, all of the committee, and unforgettable to all of my friends who joined this competition. First of all, let's thank to our God, the Almighty, who has been giving us mercies and blessings so that we can join this amazing opportunity. Secondly, may salawat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness in this world as well as in the next world. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine book doesn't exist. Imagine how bad the world without literacy. Imagine if young generation wouldn't love reading. Are we in this phase? Well, my speech will talk about something essential, but it is often ignored. Yes, of course, it's reading book. Book is the world's window, and how we open that window is by reading. Reading book is such a magic for us because we can see into different lives, eras, and realities without even leaving our room. Reading book is actually a simple and flexible activity, but it has its own enemy, namely laziness. When I was reading on internet, I found that UNESCO data informs that the reading interest of Indonesian people is really low. It is only 0.001%. It means from 1,000 people, only 1% who actively reads book. It blows my mind. Related to my experience, most of people do really like endless scrolling instead of spending their time for one page before bedtime. Ladies and gentlemen, reading book has so much benefits for us. Let me tell you. Firstly, reading book can reduce our stress. Yes, by just reading in 6 minutes, it can reduce our stress until 68%. It is more effective than chilling out by listening to music or even going for a walk. Second, reading books such as fictional book can improve our empathy. Why? Because when we read fictional story, we are experiencing someone else's story, which makes us to understand people's condition. Third, reading book can improve our focus, memory, and improving our vocabulary, which is very, very useful for conversation. Instead of doing dumb scrolling, absorbing too much information, which makes us feel more anxiety, insecure, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, now what we must do? Of course, let's make this activity as our habit. We don't have to start with a huge movement, such as reading thick academic book. Well, I guess that will be so boring, right? We can start with a small, consistent movement. Maybe you can start with reading what you like. For example, reading fictional short story, gaming news, fashion story, or even someone experience. If you are confused, what time should I read? Let me tell you a proven way to do it by reading at least 15 minutes before bedtime, or reading one paragraph before having breakfast. But with one key, consistency. We are young generation, let's make this as a trend. Choose your book, read your book, and love your book. I'm Sukma Willis, that's all my speech. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.